Hey, what's up? Chiang here.
C language is a popular general-purpose programming language. It is high-level programming language. It is used to develop application, operating system, and etc. Before we going to start our lesson, we need to have a code editor and compiler such as Visual Studio Code and GCC compiler. So we can write C code and compile our code into executable file in order to run. If you haven't installed them, some download link and tutorial is provided in the comment section. Alright, now we're going to write our first C program. We need to launch the code editor to write our first C program. Now, we need to create a new folder to save the code and executable file. Alright, then we need to create hello.c and we're gonna write the code here. Include standard.io.h. This statement is used to include a header file called standard.io.h, so we can use some basic function in this file, such as input and output. int main. This function is required for every C program. Our program always starting from main function. Printf means print formatted. It is used to output content. This function is provided by standard.io.h. First argument we're gonna pass in format space right here. We pass in %s. It means next argument will be formatted into string format. Second argument we're gonna pass in hello world \n. So this means it will show hello world. \n here means new line, so it will go to next line. Then we add one more statement. Printf %c 65. %c will format the content into character. Return 0 is used to end the function. Compile the code we write into executable file, we need to open terminal first. We need to change directory to the folder we keep the code. Then we use GCC hello.c to compile the hello.c file into executable file. Now we can see that a.exe is generated. To run it in terminal, we use /a. The a is the executable file name. We can see that 65 is output as capital A because it is formatted into character. But why it is capital A? Because it is converted by using ASCII. Now we try to remove include standard.io.h and compile it. Yeah, we can see that compiler gives error because printf function is provided by standard.io.h.
Thank you for watching. See you.